Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, my long forgotten about channel. Unfortunately, life has been so busy. I started a new job in August and I literally have not had any time to do anything. I had the same nail polish on my fingers for like 3 or 4 weeks and it was a hot chipping mess and I just didn't even have time to take the nail polish off. That's how busy I've been. But I am here today to film a couple videos for you guys. If you have forgotten my name or if you're new here, I'm Elise. Welcome. It's good to be back filming. I'm excited for this. The first video that I'm filming today is my Ipsy unbagging for the month of September. It just arrived in the mail either yesterday or today. I don't even really have time to check my mail, honestly. But this is my Ipsy bag. It is, right now it's $10 a month, but it's going up to $12 a month in October. So be aware of that if you're interested in signing up. I do have a link down below that you can use. All it does is give me points that I can then use to redeem for products in their Ipsy store. But it is going to be $12 a month. It's going to have a little bit more customization. I believe that you'll be able to choose one of the products that go inside your bag every month, and then they also have their Ipsy Plus, and I believe the new one that they have is called Ipsy Premium or Ipsy Deluxe, I'm not sure. But they're going to have 3 different tier levels that you can choose from. This is just the cheapest one, currently $10, soon to be $12. So opening up my bag, this is what the actual Ipsy bag looks like this month. It's got some constellations on it. I'm not sure, oh, that side doesn't have constellations, guys. This side has constellations. So it's got constellations on it. It's got this pretty pink quartz zipper pull. It's really cute, actually. Not a super fan of the color. This mauvey rose pink is not my favorite. I'm not a pink girl at all, but I do think that it's cute and I love this little aspect of it. There is something that is outside the bag that I want to show you first, and it is a brush from F.A.R.A.H Cosmetics or Beauty, I'm not sure. But I have a couple F.A.R.A.H brushes and I really like them. They're super nice. This looks like it would be great for contouring. It's kind of, it's not really fluffy. It's a little bit more dense and refined, I guess. It's a pretty deep blue shade. It feels really nice. The brush is ergonomic. It feels really nice in my hand. I'm excited for this. It feels really good quality. And you know, I said it would be great for contouring. It's actually called the Contour 218M. So I know my brushes. Moving into the actual bag for this month, the card looks like this. It's called Find Your Light and it's hashtag discover yourself. So this little card will tell you everything about the products inside the bag, and then it's talking about what I was just saying, choosing a product every month starting September 24th, which is this coming Tuesday. You'll be able to choose one of your 5 glam bag products, and then they'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. You can choose up to 5 add-ons. I think in the past it was only 3. And there's a $50 plus value in every glam bag. So check that out if you're interested. Moving on, the first thing inside the bag that I have is from Wonder, and it's the HaruHaru Wonder Honey Green Aqua Balm Cream. And it is for your face, like a face serum. This is what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand. I'm curious about this product. It seems like it would be soothing just from the name. I like the packaging of it. So it's just a clear serum. It feels really watery, but it feels very moisturizing. I like that. I will definitely play with that and see how I actually feel about it. It has a nice kind of soft, clean scent as well. Next up, I have from Phase Zero. It is a pressed eyeshadow in the shade Mush-A-Boom. And I'm sorry, but that is an ugly name. Let's see what the shadow looks like. So I actually received a blush from this brand, I think it was last month, and I could not for the life of me get the packaging open. And I see we're having almost the same issue today. It's a pretty shade. It's kind of like a mushroom color, so Mush-A-Boom works. There I am. Hello, everyone. It's a pretty shade, but I'm gonna go ahead and pass it on, so I'm not gonna swatch it. Moving on, I have from Ofra. Oh, okay, so Madison 89 Miller here on YouTube, she has a collaboration that she just did with Toledo Cosmetics where she came out with a bunch of different products, some lip products, some cheek products, and this is a gloss from her collection and it's in the shade Smiley for Ryleigh. This is what it looks like. Congratulations, Madison. This is super exciting. I'm excited for you. It smells really nice. Ooh. I like the sheen to it. It's glittery and shiny. I don't know. It's really pretty though. I really like it. So I'm excited to try that out. Actually, you know, let's put some on right now because why not? That has a really, really pretty shine to it. I really like that. That's really pretty. Congratulations again, Madison, on your collection. This is really, really cool. And the last thing that I have is from Toledo Cosmetics. It's the Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Yes, I've been using one from Aqua, which I love, but it feels like it already dried out, which is kind of upsetting because I only opened it like 2 weeks ago. And this is completely sealed, so let's see if I can manage to open it. I got it. So it is a felt tip. It looks very pigmented. It's not runny. There it is right there. I am definitely going to use this tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually my birthday, Saturday the 21st, and I'm going to be going to the zoo. I haven't been since I was 6 and I'm super excited. It's supposed to be pretty nice weather down there, but I will use this and see how well it holds up. So that is everything that I received in my bag for the month of September. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry I've not had time to film. Hopefully I will have a little bit more time now that it's not the summer. We're transitioning into fall and winter. My weekends aren't nearly as packed as they were. I don't think I had a free weekend all summer long. So I'm excited to have some time. Last week I didn't have to do anything and it was amazing. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching my video, for coming and checking it out. If you're subscribed to Ipsy, let me know down below what you received and what do you think of the price increase, the $12 and choosing your own product. How do you guys feel about that? Go ahead and let me know down below and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.